We have arrived at week 3, separating a mixture of compounds. So you've got your list of things to do. You want to read the lab manual on separating a mixture of compounds found in Late Night Labs, and we'll do that one more time. Here's the Late Night Labs. You want to find this tab. You're going to click on it, and we will go to Late Night Labs. The manual will appear in the corner, and we'll click to open it. This is what you need to read. It'll tell you the background information. You'll talk about separation techniques, and this is kind of a summary of the lab. Then you'll need to look at the procedures and look through all the procedures and figure out what it is that you'll actually be doing for this lab. When you're done with that, you need to download your lab report sheet. All this red is going to be replaced with your own work. For example, for your purpose, you'll write your reasons for completing the lab. What was the goals? What were the goals? The background, make sure you answer all these questions in a nice paragraph form. You can summarize the procedure. A diagram works really well with this kind of material. Okay, then you're ready to put your data in. The mass of the empty evaporating dish. Make sure that you write down all the digits that the balance gives you, including the zeros. The mass of the evaporating dish and the powdered mixture goes here. Then to calculate the mass of the powdered mixture, you can subtract these two, and that will give you the mass of the powdered mixture alone, and record the temperature. You're going to take the powdered mixture and you'll heat it. So you'll have a mass of the evaporating dish and the contents after heating. That goes here. Calculate the mass of ammonium chloride in the sample. To do this, you will take this initial value, the mass of the evaporating dish and the powdered mixture, and subtract off the mass of the evaporating dish and contents after heating. The missing mass is ammonium chloride that is evaporated away. Calculate the mass of aluminum chloride in the sample by taking the mass of the aluminum chloride, which you calculated here, and dividing it by the mass of the powdered mixture, which is here. These others are done similarly. They're a little more accessible because you don't have something evaporating and disappearing. Make sure you pay attention to your significant figures. Calculate your percent error. Here's the formula for percent error. And then your conclusion. This should be another well-written paragraph. Did you accomplish the goals? Restate the percentages and compare them to the true values. Okay? And you'll be ready to finish this lab. Good luck. Call me if you have any questions at all.